Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss simplify complex expression. So when two rational expressions are multiplied or divided, then you call them complex expression. Now to solve this, either you can use this method. So what you can do is just write all the number first, 8 multiply 18, right? These are all the numbers. Then check for variables. So first a, let's look for a. A is here. Do we have one more a? Yes, we have one more a. So multiply over. This is a to the power 2. Now do we have? Okay. This is the basic method, okay? I mean, if you are a little advanced, then I will discuss that method also. But this is the basic method how you can try. Now you have c to the power 3. Here also you have c. And in the denominator, there and there. So likewise you will check for all the variables. Now f, I'm going in the sequence, so I'm not just going ABC in that way. I'm just going from here what we have, f to the power 3, and then do we have f here? No. In the denominator, f to the power 4 multiply with f. Okay, good. Now is there anything else remaining? Okay, b to the power 2, so b square over b multiply b to the power 3, right? So now we wrote down all the variables and number. Now we can easily simplify. Using the calculator you can simplify the numbers. Okay, if you cannot do it, so what you will do, you can just write in the calculator and you will get the simplified expression for that. Okay, let me just change this first. Okay, wait, this is 1. Okay, good. So what you will do is 3 multiply 12 divide with 8 multiply 18, 8 multiply 18, 1 over 4, or else you can try with this, that 3 multiply 12 over 8 multiply 18. So you can get your simplified expression 1 over 4. Now if you can do it with your brain, then that will be much better. You can do it quite fast. And how you will do it? So 3 times 6 is 18, 6 times 2 is 12, 2 times 4 is 8. So 1 over 4. That's how I do it. But if you are not up to it, then use the calculator. Now this is a multiply a power 2. So we will cancel with this. Now we have 1 over a. When you have nothing in the numerator, only 1. Here c to the power 3. So there we will cancel these two. So only c remaining. F to the power 3. Okay, we will cancel with this, right? 3 minus 4 minus 3 will be 1, so we will have only 1 over f power 2. Now b power 2, so we will cancel with this. 3 minus 2 is 1, so that will give you 1 over b power 2. That is the basic thing that you can try with these questions, and you will be easily able to solve them. So in the numerator 1 c, okay, only c remaining. In the denominator 4a f power, okay, b is first, so I'm just writing alphabetically. B will come first, so I'm writing b first. B square f square. That's how you will try these questions. So I hope you understood how we can solve step by step, right? Now if you just want to do it in an advanced way, then how you will do it? Okay, let me try to solve that also. Let me take a different color. So 3 times 6 18, 6 times 2 is 12, 2 times 4 is 8, so 1 over 4. Good. Now here if I look for a, this a is here, 1 2. Okay, this is a power 2 and a power 2. I can cancel from here, so I have one a remaining here, right? Now anything else? Let me take another color. What about c power 3 and c? So that will give you c power 4 in the numerator. in the denominator you will have 1 and 2 power, so that's c power 3. Okay, f power 3, so that is f power 3 in the numerator, in the denominator f power 4, and f, that will give you f power 5. Anything else? B power 2 in the numerator, and the denominator you have b and b power 3, so that will give you b power 4, right? You just add them. If you have x multiply x power 2, what you do is x power 3, because 2 plus 1 is 3. Now again we got the same type of expression, and now we can simplify this, right? This is c power 4 minus 3. That's what you will do. 4 minus 3, that will give you 1, 4a. And this is 5, this is 3, so 5 minus 3, remove from here, f power 2. This is 2, 4, so 4 minus 2, remove from here, that will give you b power 2. That's it. So that's how you can save your time. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, so I have wrote down the question. Now in this question, this is the same type again. This dot is multiply, and now what you will do is you will just first write the numbers. 14 multiply 7 over 21 multiply 12. Now you will look for x, so this is x, 2 times x, so x power 2. Okay, now in the denominator, do you have x power 2 anywhere else? No, we don't have that. So now next, y power 2 and y, so that will give you y power 3, because 2 plus 1 is 3. In the denominator, y power 3, so that will give you y power 4. 1 plus 3, 4. Now look for z, or z you want to call it, z power 3, z, that will give you 4. 3 plus 1, 4. In the denominator you have z and z power 2. Okay, now xyz is done. What else we have? W. So in the numerator only one w, and the denominator you have w power 4, w power 2, so that will give you w to power 6, right? Now it's easy. Simplify this, use the calculator. I have told you how to do that. I will just simply cancel. So 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, and 2 times 6 is 12, right? So I will get 7 over 3 multiply 6 is 18. Can I simplify this further? No, I don't think so. X power 2 will be cancelled. This is 4 minus 3 will give you 1. So y power only 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now that is 4 minus 2. I will remove from here. When it will go up, what I'm trying to do is here, if you have, for example, x power 4 over x power 2, so that is x power 4 minus 2, right? I'm assuming that you know all that, so that's why I'm doing it directly now. So z power 4 minus 2, that will give you z power 2. Now w, and that is minus 1, so I will remove it from here. W power 6 minus 1 will give you w power 5. That's it. So that is our answer. That's how you try these questions. Okay, next one. Okay, now in this question what is happening, that we have changed this sign. In the previous question it was multiplied, now it is divided. So what you will do is you just have to change the sign to multiply, and you just have to flip it. This will, denominator will go up and numerator will come down. That's it, just flip it. Okay, so 70 abcf square over 12 a power 4 b power 3 c, and this will remain same. 64 a square b power 5 over 35 b square c power 3 f2 power 4. And now you can repeat the same process, right? I've already discussed with you. Multiply with number first. 35, all the numbers you write them first, and then you look for the variables. So first variable a power 2, a, so that will give you a power 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Now in the denominator do you have? Yes, we have here a to the power 4. Now look for b to the power 5. b, so that will give you b power 6. 5 plus 1 6. Denominator b to the power 2, b to the power 3. So 2 plus 3 will give you 5. Now similarly you can try all that, because if I go and explain everything, then this video will get too long, okay? Because now I've already explained and you can try that, right? Now for this, what we have to do is that will be like 3 4. So bigger power is in the denominator, so 4 minus 3, remove it from here. This is 6 minus 5, remove it from here. That's it. That's the process you will have to follow. Question number 28 is same, okay, same type. 29 and 30 is also same type. So I'm just moving on to the next question, which is question number 31, because now they are same type, so let's not waste time. You know the concept, then there will be no problem in solving any number of question they gave you, okay? So now in this one, this is multiplied, and this time they have given you quadratic equation. What you will have to do with, you will have to factor this, right? You will have to factor this. And how will you factor? I've told you in the topic number 1 that we use the calculator for this one. So let's use the calculator. And how we use the calculator? To use the calculator, we use mode, and then we go to the equation. So let's just move. If you have different calculator, you can try that. This is the sign for equation. Select shift A. Where is A? Okay, here. Did I select? Okay, no. Okay, now polynomial equation, degree 2. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c. Now this is x square plus bx plus c. So basically quadratic equation. We will only look for the coefficient. So here y square, the coefficient is 1. So 1 equal. B is 8. 8 equal. C is 15. 15 equal, and press equal. X1 is minus 3. So will I write x1 here? No, this is in the form of y, so I will write y. So first factor is y plus 3. If it is minus 3, what you will write? Plus 3, because this is solution. And second is minus 5, so that will give me y plus 5, right? And in the denominator we have y minus 6. Similarly we will do for the next. So the next one we have, let me just clear again, 1. This is negative 9, and C is 18. Press equal. X1 is 6, so I will write y minus 6, and the next is 3, so y minus 3, right? These are solution. In the factored form we write them like that. Now what about this one? What we will do about this? This is nothing but a square minus b square, right? So that will give you a minus b multiply a plus b. So this is y square minus 3 square. So I will write y plus 3 multiply with, let me use the same color. Okay, y minus 3 multiply with y plus 3. And now we will just cancel out terms. Y minus 3, y minus 3. Can we cancel anything else? Y minus 6, y minus 6, y plus 3, y plus 3. Good, so only thing remaining we have y plus 5, and that is your answer. So that's how you will do these type of question. When you have a quadratic equation is given in the rational expression, first you have to factor them and then you have to try, right? Okay, so next question we have question number 32. C square minus 6c minus 16 over c square minus d square multiply with, oh, not multiply, it's divide actually. Divide with c square minus 8c over c plus d. So when you have divide, what you will do? First you will change it to multiply and then flip. So what you will do? C plus d over c square minus 8c. That's what you will do. Remove it from here. Now what we will do here? So let me write here c plus d over c square minus 8c. Good. Now next step, first you will factor them. So c square minus 6c minus 16. Use the calculator. Okay, let's move on here. A is 1, B is negative 6, C is negative 16. Okay, first factor is x plus, so okay, so this time it is C. So that is C minus 8, right? And the next one will be minus 2, so that will give you C plus 2. Okay, and now again this is a square minus b square, so that will give you c minus d, c plus d. I have done this many times, so you should know by now. Okay, next you have multiply with c plus d over, take a c common factor because c square minus 8c, so c as a common factor. Inside you have c minus 8. That's it. Now you just have to cancel terms. Anything else we can cancel? I don't think so. So in the numerator we have c plus 2. In the denominator we have c multiply c minus d, and that is your answer. Okay, so I'm sure you understood all these type of question, right? Now question number 33 is of same type. Only thing is that, okay, let me just quickly write it down, and then x square plus 9x plus 20 over 8x plus 16 multiply with 4x square plus 16x plus 16 over x square minus 25. So what you have to do here is take 8 as common factor, so that will give you x plus 2, and this will turn out as x minus 5, x plus 5. What about these two? These two you can use the calculator and factor them. So this we have already done. Now what about the second one? 4x square. So here this time a is 4, okay, b is 16, and what about c? C is also 16. So this time the only difference is that a is 1. Sorry, a is 4. Okay, in the previous ones it was, most of the time it was 1. So this time you will get answer as minus 2, and yeah, what we got, 1 second. Okay, minus 2, and that's minimum. 1 second, let me try again. That's, or else do one thing, take 4 as a common factor from here. Okay, 4 as common factor, x square plus 4x plus 4. That also will work, but let me just do it this way only, because that should give us right answer. A is 4, B is 16, C is also 16, equal minus 2, and then it is giving minimum. Okay, so it means that there are repetition. So both our factors are both of your solution are minus 2. So your factors will be x, okay, let me just write down. For this factor will be x plus 2 multiply x plus 2, right? Because it was coming minus 2 and it was only one time, so basically it was repeated. When you have repeated solution, then it will give you x plus 2, x plus 2, like this. And similarly you can try for this one, and then you can try cancelling out terms. So this will be cancelled out. If you do it, that will give you x plus 5 multiply x plus 4. Okay, now I've already done it, nothing remaining here. So that is x plus 5 will cancel out from here, x plus 2 cancelled. What else we have remaining? In the numerator you have x plus 4, x plus 2. Denominator you have 8 multiply x minus 5. That is your answer. I've already done it now. Okay, next question, question number 34. That is giving us 3a square plus 6a plus 3 over a square minus 3a minus 10 This is divide sign. Okay, 12a square minus 12 over a square minus 4. So what you will do here, first you will change it to multiply. So let's do that, and that will be a square minus 4 over 12a square minus 12, right? Good. Now what should I do next? I will change this as a minus 2, a plus 2. How? Because this is a square minus 2 square, right? 12 as a common factor, and then it will be a square minus 1, right? This is basically 1 square. So what we can do with this, we can do simple thing that I will change it a minus 2, a plus 2, same, 12 outside, a minus 1, a plus 1, a square minus 1 square. Okay, now next thing is this one, and for this we have to use the calculator. So press AC. A is 3, B is 6, C is 3. So first factor is -1, and second is, okay, so it's repeated, basically -1 two times, so the factors will be x plus 1 and x plus 1 over a square minus 3a minus 10. Let's try this. So a is 1, b is -3, c is -10, and that is giving us 5 and -2. So that was x plus 5, so that's what I was doing. The answer was plus 5, so that will give us -5, and this is -2, so that will give us plus 2 as a factor. Because these are your solution, I've said that multiple times. Now it's time to cancel out terms. X plus 2, x plus 2. Okay, what mistake I have done here? Did you notice? I have put x, but the quadratic equation here was in terms of a, so change it to a. Good. Now a plus 2, a plus 2, a plus 1, a plus 1. Anything else? No, I don't think so. So a plus 1 multiply a minus 2 over 12 times a minus 1 multiply with a minus 5. I've rearranged them in the order. So that's your answer. That's how you try. I think now you can try. Okay, this is after that nothing, but this is just written in the form of complex expression. Basically what they are doing is x squared minus 9 over 6x minus 12, and then there is a big division sign, x squared plus 10x plus 21 over x squared minus x minus 2. So when you have something like this, what does it mean? It means nothing but this divide the same expression. That's it. So this whole expression will come here. That's what it means. So we have already done this type, okay? So do not get confused that how to try this. When you have big division sign like this, it means divide and this whole expression, right? So remove it from here, and that's it. Now what you will do is, the next step was change this sign to multiply, flip it, and that's it. For factoring, you can use the calculator. If you have something like this, take as common factor x minus 6 as common factor, and this will be x minus 3, x plus 3, right? Good. Now next question. 36 y minus x over z power 3. Again big division sign, x minus y over 6 z square. So what will I do here? I will use division sign. I will substitute this whole thing x minus y over 6z square. I will remove it from here, change it to multiply sign, change it to multiply 6z square over x minus y. That's it. Now what else I can do here is, this is y minus x and this is x minus y. So they are same, but the only thing is that the sign is different. So I can write this as, if minus has common factor, then I can write y minus x. So for example, if you have 2 minus x, you can write it as minus x minus 2. But if you have 2 plus x, then it is x plus 2, no change, okay? That only happens with negative sign. So for example, if you have x minus 3, you can write minus 3 minus x. That's it. That was the trick for this question. Now after that, it's very easy. 6z square, remove it from here because I have already wrote in the, I just don't want to write extra steps, so that's why I'm trying to, okay, now this is cancelled out. Z power 2, that will be 3 minus 2, and that's it. 6 over z power 3 minus 2 will give you z. That's your answer. Next question. A square minus b square over b to the power 3 over, okay, now this is a square. So what should we do first? First use divide sign, rewrite the denominator. Good. Now just remove this part, change it to multiply sign, flip a square over b square minus ab. This will remain same as it is, a square minus b square over b to the power 3. Now factor this, a minus b multiply a plus b over b to the power 3 multiply a square over b as a common factor. So b as a common factor, what else you have? B minus a, right? Now what I can do here is, okay, in the previous question I think I took out minus, but I forgot to write the minus sign in front of it. Okay, what I did was I changed, for example, okay, I will show you here, b minus a. So what will happen? This will be minus and a minus b, right? I can do that, but I did not put this minus sign in overall answer here because this minus sign will come in overall answer. So in the previous question, don't miss that minus sign. Now a minus b will be cancelled out. There is b power 3, b power 4, it's a power 2. We cancel anything? I don't think so. So let me rewrite here because I don't have a space. So minus this minus sign. Okay, wait, I don't have enough space. Let me write here. Minus a plus b. So a square, a plus b. In the denominator, this is b power 3, b power 1, so b power 4. That's it. That is your answer. Minus a power 2, a plus b over b power 4. So in the previous question, if I forgot the minus sign, don't forget to keep that minus sign in front of the overall answer. Okay, that's it. Last question. This video is long now. I didn't wanted that, but there are so many questions. I cannot help it. So what you can do is you can just move forward and cross check your answer and try these questions by yourself. Okay, that will be easy for you guys. So again, the divide. Now I will just cut one more step here. So what I will do, I will just multiply directly, and now this time I will flip directly from here. So I think you can understand that now what I'm doing and why I'm doing that, because that will be divide and eventually we have to flip it. So why to write extra one step? Good. Now next step is multiply. That will give you b minus a and b plus a over, that will give you x minus y multiply x plus y. This is x minus y and this is a plus b. Now what we will do, x minus y, x minus y, b plus a is equal to a plus b. I told you it only happened with the negative sign because b plus a is nothing but a plus b. It is same. Now just final answer, b minus a over x plus y. That is your answer. So that's it for simplifying complex expression. This video has been long. Now what you can do is, as I said, move fast forward and check your answer. That's it. See you in the next one.